everyone, so I've made it into Mhontypridd town center. Our first stop is the Mhontypridd market. If you're looking for Christmas cards, different kinds of wrapping papers, keychains, decorations, definitely come in here. So we're currently perusing this cute little shop, Coco Madame in Mhontypridd, and they have such cute little stuff, you guys. You know what would make a really cute Christmas present? A book. So if you're interested in a murder mystery series set in Mhontypridd during Victorian times, definitely check out the Space and Storyville book. Currently in the Prince, one of the oldest shops in Mhontypridd, currently trying to decide what we want to get to eat. I'm thinking a cute gingerbread cookie or maybe a mince pie. One of the best ways to end your day in Mhontypridd when you're after all cold and chilly is to get a festive drink from Greg. I got a vanilla latte. Right, so our last stop for the day is the Mhontypridd bar. I wanted to quickly talk about how I spend Christmas back home in Pakistan with my family. Something that's really important to me, or something I hold great pride in, is that our Christmas traditions and customs are all centered around food. This is my second year and second Christmas away from home. We're starting a tradition with my friends here this year, where we're all baking something from our home countries. Even if you're far away from home, get together with your friends and have a very Merry Christmas.